Hello everyone, welcome to Procato Biofuel. This is the ninth part of the NEET and AIPMT MCQs. With no further delay, let's enter into the topic. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated when I post a video. Come on, let's start the questions. So, as per my method, in this session we are going to face 10 questions. Most of the questions are related to the topic mitochondria, on which the video I recently released. The link for that video is placed in the description box. You can see that video first before seeing this so that you will be able to answer most of the questions in this session. Fine. So, question number 81. The stain used to visualize mitochondria is. So the answer is option D, Janus green. Okay, Janus green B is the vital stain used to visualize mitochondria. Okay, it acts as an indicator and changes color according to the amount of oxygen present. So in the presence of oxygen it changes to blue color, in the absence of oxygen it changes to pink color. Okay, so what are the other stains for? Means option A, fast green. It is a protein staining. It is used to stain cellulose, cytoplasm, collagen, etc. Option B, safranin. It is a counter stain used in gram staining. Gram staining means it is a staining that is done to differentiate the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Next, option C, acetocarmine. Acetocarmine is a stain used to stain plant chromosomes. Okay, so the stain used to visualize mitochondria is Janus green B stain. Question number 82. Oxysomes are located in. Oxysomes means it is nothing but F1 particles. So F1 particles are present in the mitochondria, which is a powerhouse of a cell. So here the option is organelle has a powerhouse of a cell. Option B is the right answer. Okay, oxysomes are also called F1 particles. They are present in the mitochondrial matrix. Okay, so these F1 particles, they play an important role in respiration of a cell. Each oxysome is differentiated into base, stalk and headpiece. The headpiece contains an enzyme called ATP synthetase, which brings about oxidative phosphorylation coupled with the release of ATP. Okay, so here oxysomes are located in. The right answer is option B, organelle as powerhouse of a cell, which describes mitochondria. Powerhouse of cell is nothing but mitochondria. Question number 83. Food vacuole is formed by fusion of. Food vacuole are the membrane bound sacs within a cell which contain food matter to be digested. Okay, so food vacuoles are the circular portions of the plasma membrane that capture or encircle food particles when they enter the cell. So these food vacuole is formed by a fusion of option A, phagosome plus lysosome. Okay, phagosome and lysosome fused to form food vacuole. So the answer is phagosome plus lysosome. Question number 84. Select the mismatched pair. We need to find the mismatched pair here. Option A, Rudolph Virchow. It is matched with Omnis cellulae cellula. So, Rudolph Virchow observed that new cells develop by the division of the pre-existing cells. So, for that he given the name Omnis cellulae cellula. So, this is the matched pair. Rudolph Virchow Omnis cellulae cellula is the right matched pair. Okay. So option B, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Of course, this is also matched pair. Robert Brown discovered the presence of nucleus in the cell in orchid root. Okay. Option C, Leeuwenhoek first described a living cell. This is also matched pair. Anton von Leeuwenhoek studied the first living cell. Then option D, Schwann and Schleiden modified and gave final shape to cell theory. So the cell theory was jointly forwarded by Schleiden and Schwann, but they did not know the mode of formation of new cells. That is that is put forwarded by Rudolf Virchow. Okay, he said that new cells develop by the division of the pre-existing cells, omnis cellulae cellula. So Rudolf Virchow modified and gave final shape to cell theory, not Schwann and Schleiden. So this is the mismatched pair. Okay, so option D is the mismatched pair, because Rudolf Virchow only modified and gave final shape to cell theory. It is not by Schwann and Schleiden. Question number 85. Membrane of the erythrocyte in human being has. Chemical studies on cell membrane, especially in human RBCs, it shows that membrane of RBC has approximately 52% of protein and 40% of lipid. Okay, the two parallel dark lines were found to be layers of protein molecules, whereas central clear area is a layer of biphospholipid layer. Okay, so here the right answer is option A, phosphoglycerides in lipid bilayer. Okay, so a membrane of the erythrocyte in human being has 52% of protein and 40% of lipid. So the central clear area is a layer of biphospholipid layer. Okay, here the right answer is phosphoglycerides in lipid bilayer is the right answer. These phosphoglycerides is also known as glycerophospholipids. They are the main component of biological membrane. Question number 86. Protein and lipids synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum combined with carbohydrates in dash. The answer is option B, cisternae of Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus consists of cisternae. That is, cisternae are nothing but they are flat, curved, smooth membrane structure with swollen ends present in the Golgi apparatus. Okay, so in this cisternae, what happens means this Golgi apparatus they cause glycosidation of lipids to form glycolipids and glycosidation of proteins to form glycoproteins. Okay, so this cisternae of Golgi apparatus causes the glycosidation of protein and lipids to form glycoprotein and glycolipids. Okay, so proteins and lipids synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum combined with the carbohydrates in cisternae of Golgi apparatus. Question number 87. Inner chamber of powerhouse of a cell possess. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. What is its inner chamber? Mitochondrial matrix. So mitochondrial matrix contains high concentration of soluble proteins, nucleotides, some lipids, circular DNA, 70S ribosomes and some inorganic molecules. So here the right option is option A, single stranded circular DNA, RNA and proteins. So here the inner chamber is called mitochondrial matrix. What is its outer chamber called? Outer chamber is nothing but perimitochondrial space which is present between the outer membrane and inner membrane. Okay, so here the inner chamber of the powerhouse of the cell possess option A, single stranded circular DNA, RNA and proteins. Question number 88. Match the following and select the correct answer. Centriole. Centrosome is an organelle usually containing two cylindrical structures called centrioles. So these centrioles are called as the cell center. So these centrioles help in the formation of basal bodies which give rise to the cilia and flagella. These cilia and flagella are the motility organelle. Okay, so centriole it matches to 4 basal bodies, cilia or flagella. Okay, and B, chlorophyll. Chlorophylls they match to thylakoids. So chlorophyll are covered with a double membrane and containing the proteinaceous matrix called stroma. So in the stroma there are a number of flattened sac-like structures called thylakoids. They are the site of light dependent reactions of photosynthesis. Okay, so chlorophyll is related to thylakoids. Cristae. Cristae are nothing but the infoldings in mitochondria. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are composed of the ribonucleic acids and proteins. So ribosomes are related to nucleic acids. So the answer is option A, Centriole is for 4. Basal body cilia or flagella. Chlorophyll is for thylakoids. 2. Cristae is for 1. Infoldings in mitochondria. Ribosomes is for 3. Nucleic acids. Option A is the right answer. Question number 89. Respiratory enzymes occur in bacterium in. The answer is option A, plasma membrane. Okay. Respiratory enzymes are located at the cell membrane of bacteria, and the membrane assists DNA replication and has attachment points for bacterial flagella. Okay. Cell membrane or plasma membrane both are same. So that membrane consists of DNA replication and has attachment points for the bacterial flagella. So in bacteria, the process of respiration is performed in mesosomes. Mesosomes are the folded invaginations in the plasma membrane of bacteria. Their function is to increase the surface area required for respiration. So they are the sites of respiratory activity because they contain respiratory enzymes. Okay. So here the answer is respiratory enzymes occur in bacterium is plasma membrane. Last question 90. Which one of the following cell organelles is enclosed by a single membrane? So among the options, mitochondria, chloroplast, nuclei are enclosed by double membrane. The only cell organelle here is lysosome, which is enclosed by a single membrane. So the answer for the question cell membrane which is enclosed by a single membrane is option C, lysosomes. These lysosomes are the suicidal bags of the cell because they undergo autolysis. Okay. So these are your next set of 10 questions. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment your reviews. Thanks for watching.